Greetings, fellow wolves, emerald hunters, and everyone else. It's Francis the Wolf once again with another Francis the Wolf visits DeviantArt, and tonight for you guys we got Tales, and this was voted by both the RetroYuuki fam and our channel Francis the Wolf. And the next one, starting next vote, you'll be able to get ready for the vote on our channels. So, without further ado, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, enable notifications, check out both RetroYuuki and Francis the Wolf channels, and as always, don't forget to take a look at the artists we're about to feature. So, for tonight, Tails is the boy, and why don't we start with this? How about this? I'm not sure how to say that, but I do know that the author is Icy Cream 24. Very nicely done by Icy Cream 24. Awesome here. And take a look at this. We have Tails also by Icy Cream 24. Ah, nice sunset. Probably a sunset here. And I love the detail on this one. Very nicely done by Icy Cream 24. Our next one is this fantastic one here. And this is by Alex Kirby 1989. Fantastically done here. And you can see this looks like a logo for Sonic Adventure. Sonic Adventure or something. Fantastically done. Love it. By Alex Kirby, 1989. The next one here, also by Sir Alex Kirby, is this fantastic render. Now this is a nice smile by Tails. Fantastically done. Yellow background, of course. I love that. And look at the detail on this magical puppy. Or should I say, fox. Fantastic work by Alex Kirby. Fantastic work. Cannot wait for more of your art, sir. And let's go ahead and go back to the big board. And the big board shows more of this. Ah, look at this. Look at this one, actually. Now, this one's interesting. Pretty cool stuff here. So, this is different renders based on the type or the part of Tails here. Tails Noodles by RinaCat. Fantastic. So, as you can see here, we have the tails, of course. The two tails, as I say. And you can see like a propeller and all the good stuff. Oh, what about bones, huh? Good question. Or do they both actually move together? So he's learning about his tails here. And yes, like a propeller. Correct. Nicely done. Also by RinaCat. Oh, he's into other stuff like Digimon. Now that's pretty neat. You know what? For the first time in a while, favorite. Okay, next one on the board. Let's take a look at one more artist. Don't worry if I don't get to your art because it's be around too eventually. Oh, what do we have here? Fox, Tails with his coffee, hot cocoa. Winter by Akusuru. Akusuru. Awesome job by the artist here. Hot cocoa makes sense on the winter's day, winter's night, and look, he's so cute. This Tails is so cute. Oh, fantastically done. Akusuru. And one more for you from Akusuru. And we have this. Oh, everybody go on in the comments. We have a sleeping tails and looks like a Sonic Chow. Because why not? And he's using his tails like a blanket. Oh, that's fantastic. The details on this magical painting is so magnificent. Look at that. Sonic Chow, tails using as a blanket. Oh, that is so cute. Alright, that is it for round one for tails. But next time, you're gonna see Amy. Oh boy, I know what you want to do next after that. Son Amy. I have a feeling that we're gonna go to that route. I got some rules, and I'll talk to you guys about that next time. So, until our Amy episode, this is Francis the Wolf reminding you to live life to the fullest. Don't complain, entertain, and of course, don't get stressed. Get some rest and stay blessed. So we'll see you guys for the Amy episode next time.